Hey Rightly, welcome back to the ride. This is Man on a Motorcycle, and today I'm joining my mates Peter and Roger for a ride out in support of the Armoy Road Races. This is my first ride out with over 100 motorcycles, and I wasn't exactly sure what to expect. So let's see what the day has in store for us. Before any of that though, we had to get there. First up was meeting with Peter, and once again we found ourselves battling with the Bluetooth gods. No matter what we try, 2 headsets will pair, but never all 3. Honestly, I think they just enjoy winding us up.
Hello?
And to make matters worse, Roger somehow managed to ring his wife instead of connecting to us. We still haven't worked out how he managed that. So eventually we called it good enough, fired up the bikes and headed for Armoy. As we rolled into the village, the atmosphere hit you straight away. Bikes filled the streets, riders were catching up with old friends, and there was a real excitement in the air. It didn't take long to realise we weren't going anywhere in a hurry. That's the trouble when your mate's a riding instructor and a retired postman. He seems to know absolutely everybody. Right, we are here. And so it begins. One by one the bikes fell into line, and before long we were rolling out of Armoy altogether. Our first stop was Ballymoney, where the bikes gathered once again in Townhead car park, before many of the riders headed over to the road racing exhibition in the town hall. I stayed outside for a look around. There were some stunning machines in the car park, and I gave everyone a chance to catch up before the next leg of the ride. Boys all dressed in leather, some cows killed. That pallet of stuff that sits at the back of the beach, that's where all goes. Oh, there you go. Like the way it's set. Our next stop was the Tesco petrol station in Limavady for a quick refuel, both for the bikes and ourselves. With the barbecue a fair while away yet, I grabbed a Kit Kat Chunky to keep me going. As everyone stretched their legs, we got talking about just how many bikes had turned up. Smart arse. With the tanks topped up and the riders refueled, it was time to head for Coleraine. We took another break in Coleraine. The Andalucía was still moored just up the River Bann, so it was the perfect excuse to get the drone up. I have to admit, flying over the water for the first time had me just a little nervous. The Kit Kat had long since worn off, so the barbecue was definitely on my mind now. Thankfully, the road to Ballycastle follows some of the most spectacular coastline Northern Ireland has to offer. That was a cracking day's riding, and by this stage I think we were all more than ready for the barbecue. If you've any ideas for future rides or places you'd like to see featured in the channel, drop them in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed the video, a like and subscribe really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next ride.